Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities, and today's topic is how to do energy cleansing of your house, as it is again main part of your inner work, and it is extremely important. So what happened? Your house is a place where you feel relaxed, calm, and peace. So if the energy of your house is not good, then where will you feel relaxed? Either in the nature, and you cannot stay in nature all the time, right? So that is why maintaining hygiene on physical level and spiritual level, energy cleansing is must for a twin flame, though, and it can be performed by anyone whosoever is listening my video. It is just not necessary for twin flames, but then twin flames are empaths and they are sensitive beings, so that is why they are affected by any sort of energies. So that is why energy cleansing is must. And how can you cleanse the energy of your house? As I have mentioned in my previous video, that physical cleansing is must, that is the main part, and then comes on the energy cleansing. So for cleansing energy of your house has to be clutter free, and then you will have to have some sort of herbs, which holds divine entities. They are related to the divine entities, divine spirits. So that is why they help in cleansing the negative entities, negative spirits. So there are few of the herbs which helps in cleansing the energy of your house that I'm sharing. And you can easily order these herbs from any of the online store. So first one is sage. I will also mention the name of these herbs in the community section, because I saw last time somebody did not know what that herb means, maybe had hard time in understanding what sage is. So first herb is sage, then second is palo santo, and then camphor, and then lavender. Though there are so many herbs for energy cleansing, but right now I want you to order these things for your house. And as I said, you can find it out on any of the online store. These things are easily available, you don't have to struggle. So what happened? How can you do that? Once you order these herbs, you can see, first of all, as you're going to start, you can burn these herbs daily in your house. Otherwise, you can do one thing. On every new moon and full moon, you will have to smudge your house properly, and that you need to do it during evening time. Evening time is must on full moon and new moon, because that is the time wherein you feel lot of anxiety and depression and negative emotions. So because of a twin flame also, so it is not all the time your energy, you also pick up on the energy of your divine counterpart. That is the reason energy cleansing is must. So just to save you from those anxiety, depression, and those negative emotions, you can clear these energies on new moon and full moon. But advice is, now onwards you will have to burn these herbs daily in your house. So sage can be burnt on new moon and full moon, but then you can daily burn camphor, lavender, incense you can order. And you can also order sandalwood and sandalwood, lavender, and rose, which also are actually soothing herbs. So it will also help you in releasing negative emotions. You will feel good once you burn these herbs in your house. So it can be purchased in any form as loose herbs, and also in the form of incense. So incense form will be easy right now. And then later on you can buy sage in any different form. So incense of these herbs are easily available on online stores. So just buy these herbs. Lavender and camphor needs to be burned daily. I hope you guys do worshipping morning and evening, which is must. So start practicing these herbs, getting into your life daily. It will really help you. So it helps in cleansing the energy of your house. It also helps for it is good for your mental health. This is the one thing to clear your the energy of your house. Another thing you can do, you can ring bells, which are being used during worship. And I'm sure you all know what bells are. So bells are a sign of positive energy. When you ring them, negative entities are actually scared of that. Okay, so in in my country it is part of our daily ritual, like when we perform worship, when we do worship morning and evening, we do it daily on a regular basis. So ringing bells is another thing which you have to do. And if it is not possible, then I advise you to have a speaker, a small speaker, on which you can play these sounds through music. Like you can find these music on YouTube easily. You don't have to purchase it from anywhere. It is free of cost available on YouTube. So another is like sound healing. Sound healing is available in so many forms on YouTube. You can find out energy cleansing frequency music. I will try to share a few of them on community section, so that you don't struggle with that in case you're not able to find it out. But then that is what I'm telling, that start doing some sort of self work, so you can find out those music. So start putting those music on a loudspeaker, if possible. If you are not if you're allowed by your neighbors, sometimes it is not loud, but then try to switch on those music in your house. That also clears the negative energies, and it clears energy, negative entities also. So sound healing is must, that it needs to be practiced daily. Okay, and also when you feel a lot of anxiety and depression, these musics actually helps a lot. So have a speaker, or maybe if you have any sort of gadget on which you can play, which has loud music, it really helps. It changes your vibrations immediately. So that is the another thing you have to perform. And next and last thing I remember, you can do crystal healing. Like you can purchase some crystals, like clear quartz, in any form. Try to keep crystals in your house which brings good energy, positive energies. Again, crystals are associated with entities, divine entities. I can recommend right now either amethyst and black tourmaline and clear quartz. You can buy 3 of them, or maybe all, or any of them. I understand you'll have to spend money, but you will have to, everybody will have to. It is for your thing. I am not asking you to pay me, or I am not even sharing any sort of link through me which you can buy. So please understand, these are the things which you have to do it for yourself. In case you are struggling with finances, then I would say go ahead and depend on herbs which are not so expensive. So herbs you will have to buy. Sound healing can be performed through phone, through laptop, in case you do not have a speaker. So don't spend a lot of money, but these are like small things which you will need. And as I have mentioned in my previous videos, energy work is never going to be an easy task. Lot of challenges will be thrown on your path. So these items are going to support you a lot. So I'm repeating, you'll have to buy herbs for cleansing. You can perform sound healing. You can ring bells in your house morning and evening, and keep your house clutter free. Also you can buy crystals, I've mentioned. Another thing, try to have green plants, more of green plants inside your house, living plants, and in your balcony. Try to have amazing balcony in case you have, because it brings a lot of positive energy. So this was about today's video. In case I remember anything else, I will be definitely sharing it. So now start getting ready to clear the energy of your house. It is needed. So this was about today's video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself, and thank you for watching and subscribing my channel. Bye bye.